everyone, my name's Ruby and my favorite dish is sushi. Sushi is a Japanese dish consisting of raw or cooked fish over a small bed of rice seasoned with vinegar and is often accompanied by wasabi and pickled ginger and served with soy sauce for dipping. I'm not sure exactly how old I was when I first tried sushi, but I definitely didn't think I was going to like it. But the older I got and the more I ate it and had opportunities to try it, I learned that I actually really like it. I've never been to Japan, but I would love to visit someday and try some authentic cuisine of that area and see what sushi is like over there. My favorite kinds of sushi are salmon and avocado, as well as eel and avocado, and just plain sashimi with some ponzu sauce is good too. That's it for my favorite dish, and looking forward to hearing all about your favorite foods as well. Bye!